My dear students, I welcome you all to the latest episode of Noble Mathematics. Will find a way or make one. Today's video is made for class 9th students. In the previous video, we have completed the chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Today, we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter 6, lines and angles. In today's video, you will learn what is linear pair axiom, converse of linear pair axiom, vertically opposite angles property, and exercise 6.1, which is based on these properties. Before that, let us discuss about few points, that is complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. That is 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. If the sum of two angles is 180, then they are called supplementary angles. Here 100 degree and 80 degree are supplementary angles because their sum is 180 degree. Next we have adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the third one, the non-common arms are on either sides of common arm. With this figure, I will explain. In this figure, we can find three angles. They are angle AOB, angle BOC, and angle AOC. Here, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. That is, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC are on opposite sides of a common arm OB. Therefore, here angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Now let us see what is linear pair axiom. An axiom is a mathematical statement which requires no proof. Here, the linear pair axiom states that if a ray stands on a straight line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Here, in figure, we have AOB, which is a straight line. OC is a ray which is standing on line AB. Therefore, by linear pair axiom, the sum of the two adjacent angles, that is angle AOC plus angle BOC, is equal to 180. Here, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 because AOB is a straight line. Next is converse of linear pair axiom. A converse is the opposite statement we have. A converse of linear pair axiom is the opposite statement of linear pair axiom, and it states that if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180, then the two non-common arms are in the opposite direction, that is, they form a straight line. In figure, we have two adjacent angles, angle AOB and angle BOC, with the common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC are on the either sides of the common arm. If angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180, then by the converse of linear pair axiom, AOC is a straight line. To understand linear pair axiom and converse of linear pair axiom, let us consider few more figures. In the first figure, PR is a straight line. If PR is a straight line, then by linear pair axiom, the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180. That is, angle PQS plus angle RQS is equal to 180. In the second figure, you can see AB is a straight line And here we have three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. The sum of three angles will be equal to 180 here also by using linear pair axiom. In a linear pair there are only two angles, but here you can see three angles. So we consider angle 1 and angle 2 as a single angle. So linear pair axiom can be used. That is angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. And here you can see few figures to understand the converse of linear pair axiom. In figure, if angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, these two angles are adjacent angles. If the sum of these two adjacent angles is 180, then x, y is a straight line. If angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, then x, y is a straight line. In the second figure, we have three angles, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3. If the sum of these three angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, then PS is a straight line. So here, if angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, then POS is a straight line. Now we are going to prove vertically opposite angles property. The vertically opposite angle property states that if two straight lines intersect, then each pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Here, AB and CD are two straight lines intersecting at point O, so that we have two pairs of vertically opposite angles. They are angle 1 and angle 3. That is the first pair, and angle 2 and angle 4 forms the second pair. So according to the vertically opposite angles property, angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. That is angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That is angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. This is a theorem. A theorem is a mathematical statement which requires proof. So we are going to prove the vertically opposite angles property. To prove a theorem, we can use previously proven theorems or axioms. As of now, we have learned only two axioms. First one is linear pair axiom, second one is converse of linear pair axiom. So to prove this property, we can use one of the above two axioms, or if required, both axioms can be used. Whenever you have to prove a theorem or theoretical statement, we have to draw the figure accordingly, and we have four parts in a proof. First part is given, second part is what to prove, third part is construction if required, fourth part is the proof, which consists of various steps with the reasons. So here the given part consists of two straight lines AB and CD intersect at point O such that angle 1, angle 3 and angle 2, angle 4 form the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So here in the given part we have two straight lines AB and CD. They intersect at a point O, so that we have four angles in total, of which angle 1 and angle 3 form the first pair of vertically opposite angles, and angle 2 and angle 4 form the second pair of vertically opposite angles. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Based on this figure, the vertically opposite angles are angle 1 and angle 3 and angle 2 and angle 4. So we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Here we don't want any extra construction. Without any extra construction, we can directly go to the proof. Under proof, we will write various steps with the proper reason. Then we will prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. First, AB is a straight line. If AB is a straight line, angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair, therefore their sum is 180. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, which is given equation 1. The reason is written linear pair. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 because they form a linear pair. Now, CD is also a straight line. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 because they also form a linear pair, which is given equation number 2. Now, in equation 1 and equation 2, you can see the RHS are equal. If the RHS of two equations are equal, then we can equate their LHS also. That is, from equation 1 and equation 2, since their RHS are equal, their LHS are also equal. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Now you can see angle 2 is common in both the sides. Angle 2 is subtracted from both the sides. So angle 2 gets eliminated. And now we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 means the first pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, we can prove that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. The steps for that is not required. Hence, we proved that if two straight lines are intersecting, then each pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we move to exercise 6.1, question number 1. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So according to question, we are given angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. This angle is a 40 degree. Now, by the property of vertically opposite angles, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So, angle AOC is also 40 degree. Now it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Here we can replace angle AOC with the 40. So 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle BOE is equal to 70. 40 will go as minus 40, which is equal to 30 degree. So we are getting angle BOE. Now we have to find reflex angle COE. To get reflex angle COE, we have to find what is angle COE. Now AB is a straight line. Therefore, sum of these three angles will be 180. Now, AB is a straight line. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 because the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 by the property of a linear pair axiom. Angle AOC is 40 plus angle COE plus angle BOE is 30 is equal to 180. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given 70 degree. Already we got angle AOC is equal to 40 degree and angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. So I replaced angle AOC with the 40 and angle BOE with the 30. 40 plus 30 is 70. Therefore, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. So we got the value of angle COE, but we want reflex angle COE. Therefore, reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus angle COE. A reflex angle is the angle whose measurement is more than 180 but less than 360. To find the reflex angle of any given angle, you have to subtract the given angle from 360 degree. So, to get the reflex angle COE, first I calculated the measurement of angle COE. Now 360 minus angle COE will give us the reflex angle COE, that is 360 minus 110, which is equal to 250 degree. Therefore, we have angle BOE is equal to 30 degree and reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. With this question, I wind up today's session. In the next session, we will see the remaining questions of this exercise. Till then, take care. Goodbye.